If you're looking to effectively manage IT incidents and get things back on track fast, GoTo Resolve could be just what you need. But how does it measure up when it comes to best practices in IT incident management? In this video, we'll dive into some of the top best practices for using GoTo Resolve, weigh its strengths and weaknesses, and by the end, you'll know whether it's the right choice for you or if there are better alternatives out there. First up, GoTo Resolve's incident resolution capabilities are solid. You get the ability to remotely access devices, which makes diagnosing and resolving IT issues much quicker. This feature allows IT teams to troubleshoot problems in real time, saving both time and resources. But here's the thing, if you're looking for a tool that offers more than just remote support, GoTo Resolve might fall short in terms of more comprehensive incident management features. Next thing, let's talk about GoTo Resolve's reporting and analytics tools. The software offers some basic reports, which can help teams track incident resolution times and common issues. However, the level of detail isn't as deep as some competitors, so if you're after more granular insights into your IT operations, GoTo Resolve might leave you wanting more. The third thing to consider is its collaboration features. GoTo Resolve lets IT teams collaborate efficiently by sharing screens and notes during incidents. This can help streamline communication, especially with complex problems. But for teams who require advanced collaboration tools, like task assignments or escalation management, GoTo Resolve doesn't offer much beyond the basics. Now, the fourth thing is the platform scalability. GoTo Resolve is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, and while it can handle multiple devices and users, larger teams or enterprises might find it lacking when it comes to handling a high volume of incidents simultaneously. If scalability is a key factor for your business, GoTo Resolve may not be able to scale up as efficiently as some other incident management platforms. And when it comes to ease of use, GoTo Resolve is pretty straightforward. The interface is intuitive enough for teams to pick it up quickly without a steep learning curve. But the trade-off is that it lacks some customization options that more complex incident management tools offer. So, if your IT needs are more specialized, GoTo Resolve might not be as flexible as you'd like. To wrap it up, GoTo Resolve does a decent job at managing IT incidents for small to medium-sized teams, but there are some limitations, especially when it comes to scalability and in-depth reporting. And while it's a great entry-level tool, if you're after something more comprehensive, there are other options that might better suit your needs. Before you make a decision, I want to mention that we have an exclusive, extended free trial for GoTo Resolve through the link in the description. But I also want to point out that there are some excellent alternatives out there that offer free trials too, which might be better suited to the goals of managing IT incidents. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Stay tuned for the next video, where I'll dive deeper into those alternatives and explain why they might be a better fit for your team.